Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Java, reading data from a reader and converting it to a string can be achieved in several ways. One common approach is to use a string builder in conjunction with a buffered reader. Below is a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this. ###tutorial, reading from a Java reader to a string. ###. Step 1, import necessary classes. You'll need to import the necessary classes from the java.io package. The most common classes used for reading are buffered reader, for reading text from a character input stream efficiently. Inputstreamreader, for converting byte streams to character streams. Filereader, for reading files. Step 2, create a method to read from a reader. You can create a method that takes a reader as an argument and returns the contents as a string. The method will read the input line by line and accumulate the results in a string builder. Step 3, use the method. You can use the read from reader method to read from various types of reader objects. Here's an example of how to read from a file using filereader. Explanation of the code. 1. Imports. We import the necessary classes for file and input reading. 2. Read from reader method. Takes a reader object as input. Uses a buffered reader to read the text efficiently. Each line is appended to a string builder, along with a line separator. Returns the complete string after reading all lines. 3. Main method. Creates a file reader to read from a specified file. Calls read from reader to get the content of the file as a string. Prints the content to the console. 4. Exception handling. We handle IO exception to catch any errors related to file access. Conclusion. This tutorial demonstrates how to read from a reader and convert it into a string in Java using a buffered reader and string builder. This approach is efficient and handles different input sources, including files, network streams, or any other character-based input. You can expand this method to read from other types of reader as needed, like string reader or input stream reader.